When it comes to investing through Raiz, the choice of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, determines how your portfolio performs over time. Raiz simplifies investing by bundling several ETFs into diversified portfolios, but understanding which ETFs stand out helps you make informed decisions and maximize your long-term returns. Raiz invests primarily in ETFs listed on the ASX, giving exposure to both local and global markets. Among the most notable options within Raiz portfolios is the Vanguard Australian Shares ETF, VAS. This ETF tracks the ASX 300 index, giving broad exposure to the largest companies in Australia, like Commonwealth Bank, BHP, and CSL. It's designed for investors seeking stability and consistent dividend income, making it a strong foundation in any balanced or aggressive Raiz portfolio. Another key player is the iShares S&P 500 ETF, IVV. It provides exposure to the top 500 U.S. companies, including Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. This ETF introduces international diversification and long-term growth potential driven by the U.S. market's innovation and global dominance. Its historical performance has consistently outpaced many local indexes, which makes it a strategic inclusion for growth-focused investors. For those seeking global diversification beyond the U.S., Raiz also includes the Vanguard All-World ex-US Shares ETF, VEU. This ETF covers major economies in Europe, Asia, and emerging markets, reducing dependence on any single country or region. It captures growth opportunities across global sectors and cushions against regional downturns. Raiz also features the iShares Global Bond Index ETF, IAF, offering exposure to high-quality government and corporate bonds. This ETF adds stability and income through fixed interest returns, balancing out volatility in the equity portion of your portfolio. It's particularly valuable for conservative investors who prioritize capital preservation and steady growth. Sustainability-focused investors can explore the Raiz Emerald portfolio, which includes ETFs that prioritize companies with strong environmental, social, and governance practices. These ETFs allow investors to align their money with their values while still maintaining broad market exposure and competitive returns. Overall, the best Raiz ETF options depend on your investment goals, time horizon, and risk tolerance. VAS provides strong domestic exposure and reliable dividends, IVV and VEU offer global growth, and IAF delivers stability through bonds. Together, they form the backbone of Raiz's diversified approach, allowing investors to build wealth effortlessly through regular micro-investments. By understanding how each ETF works, you can choose the Raiz portfolio that aligns with your strategy, whether that's steady income, aggressive growth, or ethical investing. With disciplined contributions and time, these ETFs can help you achieve long-term financial independence.